Hey everyone, if you also hate dirt in your car, this product is for you. You know that little bit of food, hair and dust that stays accumulated in the corner and you need to take it to the car wash, spending a truckload of money? Then forget about that. This vacuum cleaner is revolutionizing the market. It is capable of removing 100% of all the dust from your car in places you would never reach. Despite being small, its power is huge and it has 3 functions: vacuuming, vacuum and blower. You can store it in the car's glove compartment and take it out to use inside your house if you prefer. It is great for vacuuming furniture, inflating mattresses, among other things. So click the button below